Welcome back to our journey through Nice. In part 2, we leave the bustling streets below and ascend the heights of the iconic Castle Hill. The climb is a rite of passage. Whether you take the historic steps or the convenient elevator, the reward at the top is worth every effort. From here, the old town looks like a vibrant puzzle of terracotta tiles, a view that hasn't changed much in centuries. Turn slightly, and the Baie des Anges reveals its full majesty, a perfect crescent of azure water meeting the city. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Our path leads us to one of the hill's most beloved features, the majestic Cascade du Château. This artificial waterfall has been providing a cool, misty escape for locals and visitors alike since the late 19th century. On sunny days, you can often catch glimpses of rainbows dancing in the spray, a truly magical sight. Beyond the views and the water, the top of the hill is a vast verdant park, a peaceful oasis above the urban pulse. History is etched into the ground here, with ruins of the ancient fortress and cathedral telling tales of the city's strategic past. Once a formidable military stronghold, it now serves as a testament to the layers of time that make Nice unique. Crossing to the eastern terrace, we get a completely different perspective, the bustling Port Olympia from above. You can watch the massive ferries depart for Corsica, their white hulls striking against the deep harbor blue. Below us lies the Cimetière de l'Est, one of the most beautiful and historic cemeteries in France, filled with monumental art. The gardens here are meticulously kept, showcasing the floral diversity that thrives in this coastal climate. It's the perfect place to pause, reflect, and simply soak in the unparalleled beauty of the Riviera. You'll find a mix of excited travelers and locals enjoying their weekend, all united by these incredible vistas. The architecture of the city seems to harmonize with the landscape when seen from this height. As we begin our descent, the sounds of the city gradually return, inviting us back to its lively streets. The transition from the peaceful heights to the urban energy is part of the hill's unique charm. The changing light of the afternoon creates a dramatic play of shadows and highlights across the park. As the day mellows, the atmosphere on Castle Hill becomes even more serene and contemplative. In our final part, we'll explore the grand avenues, the majestic museums, and the hidden gems of the wider city. Thank you for joining me for part 2. The best of Nice is still yet to come. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.